Oh my god, I'm so excited to show you guys what I just got at the thrift store. All of their clothes were 50% off, and I just got a new job, so I really needed some like button downs and blouses and stuff. But I did get some footage inside the store, so I'm gonna do a little thrift with me video, and then I'll try all the clothes on for you guys. Okay, just got home. I found so many good things, so many things that I can wear to my new job, like button downs and like nice like feminine kind of ruffly tops and stuff. And I just want to wash them before I try them on for you guys. So the sun's also going down, so I'll probably wait and then wash them and then try them on tomorrow or sometime this week. So I'm editing the footage from thrifting, and I realized that I did not even show like half the stuff that I actually ended up buying. I only showed like a little bit of stuff. I was just kind of making this video like on a whim, and this was the first time I've ever done this, and I know that for me personally, like I get in the zone when I'm thrifting, and so I completely forgot about filming like for the second half of the time that I was there. So the things that I'm trying on, you probably didn't see, like maybe some of them you did, but there will probably also be things that I bought that I didn't show you while I was in the store. But it's a learning experience, and next time I'll include those things. But yeah, we're gonna try them on now. Okay, thank you guys for staying tuned for the whole thing. The only thing that I regret not getting was that one brown paisley Ralph Lauren button down because it was such good quality. I was just like, do I wear brown paisley? Am I gonna wear a brown paisley button down? Like, is that me? And I couldn't see it, you know what I mean? And then now watching the footage, I'm like, dang it, I should have got that one. It was just such a weirdo. But no, no, no. I'm glad that I had restraint. The restraint that I did, because a lot of times I will buy it and then regret it immediately because I'm like, it's one of a kind and I'm never gonna find it anywhere else if I pass up this one opportunity. But no, like, it's fine. I like this one. This is my favorite one so far. I can't wait to wear this one to my new job. And let's see, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I also bought some things for my daughter, some like princess dress up stuff and everything, but she's already been wearing that. I don't even know where they are. They're like probably thrown all over the house. But anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will try to make another one of these. If you like them, comment and let me know what your favorite piece is that I got. What should I wear on my first day at my new job? Okay? All right. Bye, guys.